Okay, Paul again here from EMD Motorsport. Let's have a look. I just finished installing the distance sensor, that big one there. Have a look at the actual color of the gearbox. Use a little brush and brake cleaner to clean most of the impurities out, all the dirt. I still got to clean that and wipe or whatever I can here. Look closely there. This tool here is just to stop that bearing from falling off. Hose clamp to hold everything in place so it doesn't move. And everything's back. So now I'm going to run the wiring harness properly. They got a little holders to go in, especially on top there as well. New sensors on top. They're not plastic, they're aluminium. So look at the color of the actual, that's the color of the gearbox before. It was the same color as the actual sensor. Okay, now look at the color of the gearbox now. How nice is that? That's going to go up as well, about here. And then look at the gearbox here, this side of the gearbox. Much cleaner than before. Yeah, I like to see clean stuff like that. Look at the dirt that came out from the gearbox. It's all dried up now. Look at that. That was from the gearbox. See that? That's from the gearbox. So when you see oil inside the gearbox, you don't even see that kind of dirt because that was stuck to the wall here. So now it's nice and clean, so they're all off. So that's why I didn't want to use, I just didn't like it. Must look clean like that. So every work we do, we have to be more cautious and make sure everything is nice and clean. New sensor, I've got to torque the sensors up and the speed sensors and basically start the assembly work. I've got a few gaskets and stuff I had ordered from Porsche prior. They didn't have it in stock, so now I ordered, I think like a week ago or 2 weeks ago I ordered. Now they got it in stock, so hopefully next week it will come. Then I'll put the new gaskets on, then start the assembly work. Okay, now I feel much better and feel happier to see clean gearbox like that. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.